Aircraft manufacturer founded by Richard. Yeah. That's our facility. Paramount all aluminum, played a monocoque this year. Oshkosh in 1986. Over 1,400 RV8 kits have been completed. Yeah. And I bet you back when this is introduced, this kit was still around.
Well, airplane was painted after a real World War II fighter, P51 named 6 Shoe, had 7 kills. The guy that painted it, he was just a genius. I mean, look at the pipes. When the airplane's old. When the airplane was new, this paint job was pristine. People would come up like this and go. Like that.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you got the shadow.
That's even got smoke trails. And if you look underneath, he's got the exit ports for the guns. They're painted on. The guy just did crazy.
No, he's also
Like I said, 15 years ago, that was for like 12 hours or something.
I would think so, but yes. Shame because of it, I don't know why.
Now it looks like 10 minutes. You know, I know guys that have airplanes. He will. This is a 2005. Cruises, maybe. I would say.